This is a weak example.
Analyzing Evidence by Varun Asarpota, Matt Kinderman, Ryan Moran, Roman Polushin, and Abby Freibush.
The writer doesn't explain the connection.
What is analysis? Analysis is the practice of looking closely at small parts of the text to see how they affect the whole. Literary analysis focuses on how plot, structure, character, setting, and many other techniques are used by the author to create meaning. In other words, what does the text say, what does it mean, and why?
Good analysis consists of three main things: say, mean, and matter. The say should be the quote that you will be using to get your point across and needs to have a citation. The mean needs to explain what the quote is saying and what it means when it is saying it. And last, the matter. This should sum up why you chose the quote you are using and why is it important to the people reading.
When writing an analysis, it is extremely important to remember an analysis is not just summarizing of the original text. Do not only say what you are talking about, describe how and why it is a useful resource in your writing.
Say should be the first part of your analysis. The say needs to begin with an introductory phrase which introduces the quote to your readers and helps your writing flow much better. This could be something like "the author states" or "the author says." Next, you need an exact quote from the author followed by a citation.
What does it mean? In this part of your analysis, you will explain what the quote suggests about the character. Here, you will need to interpret the text and read in between the lines. Ask yourself questions like, how do you know that? You can start by saying, this quote illustrates. Why does it matter? In this last part of your analysis, you will ask yourself questions like, so what? Why is it important? And how does the text support your claim? You can start by saying, the quote demonstrates how.
Many studies have shown milk is beneficial to people's health. This would be an example of the say part of your analysis. Next, you need to include what this quote means and why it matters. Here is an example of what analysis should and shouldn't look like.
This is a weak example of evidence because the evidence is not related to the claim. What does the claim about self-centeredness have to do with families eating together? The writer doesn't explain the connection. The second one is a far better example because the evidence is more smoothly integrated into the text. The length of
Created using Powtoon.